You're probably looking at me wondering, why am I starting off this video wearing a hat? Well, because today I decided to wear a hat because I physically could not go out with my hair looking like this. Like, look, can we just take a second to look at how ugly I look right now? Yeah, it's not cute. Ever since I made that stupid video of me bleaching my hair like from black to blonde, I have had like a lot of hair companies, that sounds so bad saying that, but like, you know, reach out to me and want me to try their products. And I'm just like, I don't know, I don't really need to try new products because I have the products that I like. But one company did reach out to me that I was actually really curious about, and it was FANOLA. In this cute little box. This video is definitely not sponsored and nothing like that. Like, this is literally them sending me products and they want me to try it and I make a video. The reason why I decided to go with this company is just because I see it like all over Instagram, and so I thought, wow, I want to try these products because they are like a little bit more pricey and they're usually used in like salons and stuff like that. Plus all this stuff is like made in Italy, so I was like, I don't know, that just kind of makes me feel a little bit more bougie. But this video is kind of like a first impression, so if you want to know the first impressions, I'll put like the little thing where you can skip to it. But right now I'm just gonna like unbox it for you guys. I've already tried all these products. I've been using it for like the past 3 weeks, and I just thought I would show you guys this because it's so cute, because they took like the little Polaroid of me and put it right there, and I don't know, I thought that was really cute. Just like, it makes it very personal, but it's not gonna change my opinion, okay? If I still hate it, just because this is cute doesn't mean I'm just not gonna say if I hate it or not. Also, another reason why I was really curious is because they do a lot of stuff for colored hair, which obviously I was like, yes, I'm gonna do it. And I wasn't expecting this, but they sent me like 2 different ranges, and the first range that they sent me was this after color range. Now this is specifically for color treated hair. I know FANOLA is really popular for like their non-yellow shampoos. Like, I see ads on it all the time, so if you are a blonde, you might want to check that out. I don't know, there's probably other YouTube videos on that, but this one specifically is just for colored hair. So they sent me the shampoo and the deep conditioner. I know that they do have, because I looked it up, I was like, oh, a deep conditioner? I was like, why didn't I get the conditioner? But yeah, they actually do have the conditioner. They just ended up sending me the mask, which honestly works out for me because I'm disgusting and I wash my hair like literally once a week. Sometimes I go longer. Yeah, I know, that's kind of gross, but I'm really just being honest. Obviously, I have to deep condition my hair because it's gonna get gross, so I would rather use a deep conditioner versus like just a regular conditioner. And this range just honestly just helps preserve the color. The other thing that they sent from that little range is this little color care fluid crystals. So it's from the same after color range, and I was like, what is this? Like, that doesn't even make sense, like color care fluid crystals. But it's actually just something that you can put in your hair if it's wet or dry, and it kind of just maintains the frizz and kind of just makes your hair that much softer. I mean, obviously my hair, it's like straw. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I mean, you can't, hopefully it doesn't look like straw right now, but if I don't put heat on it or anything like that, if I just shampoo and condition, my hair can end up looking just really frizzy and gross. So I put this in and it kind of maintains the frizz, and it's also good for, like, I went on the website just to see like what else it does, and apparently like helps from the UV rays, which I feel like is really good, because especially if your hair is really like blonde or just really light and you don't really have that dark of a hair, you always want to protect your hair. Because I remember one time I went on a trip to San Diego, and it was when I first bleached it. Like, this was like back in 2015, and I had hot pink hair. I spent all day in the sun and it literally screwed my hair, and I was like diving into the ocean, and so it literally first off stripped my hair, like stripped the pink like from the UV rays. It was absolutely terrible. My hair was in disgusting condition, and I feel like this could have prevented it if I wasn't going in the ocean. It has vitamin E in it, so if you guys were wondering, and also it apparently like helps maintain split ends. But I mean, if you have split ends, you have split ends. Like, just cut your hair if you want to fix your split ends. For the second range that they sent me, it's their orotherapy like shampoo, and again they sent me the deep conditioner. They do have, actually I don't know if they have a conditioner this one. I would assume they do, but again they sent me the deep conditioner, which I'm totally fine with. And this one has like argan oil in it. Now if you guys watch my hair videos, like my dyeing videos, you guys know I am literally obsessed with argan oil, because all of the hair dyes that I use are enriched with argan oil, and I think that's just the best for my hair. I love anything with argan oil. This is just has like a keratin type of treatment. I mean, it's keratin shampoo. So I'm thinking that's like a treatment. I don't know, I'm stupid with that stuff. This is specialized for colored hair as well. I forgot to mention that. And I feel like it's one of those things where if you just bleach your hair, this would be perfect for it because it kind of like restores it and helps maintain everything. The very last thing that they sent me is just this Keraterm hair ritual just spray. So it's like a heat protecting spray. I mean, I don't really need to go into depth about what it does. You can use this on damp or dry hair, but I have never had a heat protecting spray. The only one that I ever did get was really oily, but this one is really nice. It has like a very nice mister. It kind of just feels like I don't know, like water almost, and it also smells really good. We're just gonna go hop right into all my first impressions of all of these products. I'm really sorry to Fanola for like making my hair be so ugly before I try out the range, and so now I'm just gonna show you the range that we're gonna try out first because I'm gonna do it in kind of 2 days. Not 2 days, but like 2 separate sections. I'm just gonna do the after color shampoo and then the conditioner. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. If you guys do watch my channel or anything like that, you'll know that I do not blow dry my hair. I don't like blow drying it. I think it just does unnecessary damage. I mean, unless I'm like in a really big rush and I need to get my hair done right then and there, I'm not gonna blow dry. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Color Care Fluid Crystals. I'm just gonna do like 3 pumps of it, so I got like that much in it. I don't know if that even did anything. And oh my god, wait, this smells like, not like Jolly Ranchers, but I don't know. Okay, it definitely does not smell like the conditioner or the shampoo, by the way, which honestly smells so good. It literally smells like a salon. I just ran it through like the lengths of my hair and the ends. I don't really want to touch the scalp because I don't know if this is gonna like oil up my hair or anything. This is how my hair dried. Keep in mind I do have like really thin hair, but it's nice because it's not as frizzy. Like it's a little bit frizzy like right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there's little to no frizz. Again, it could be just because my hair is thin and naturally it doesn't dry as frizzy. I'm now gonna try this range. So again, you guys saw it's the Orotherapy like little range, and the only thing I will say about this is that it does not smell good. Okay, it's not that it doesn't smell good, it's not like unpleasant, but it kind of has that smell of like incense. If you've ever walked into a shop, like one of those little shops where they sell like a lot of crystals and incense, that's what this would smell like, which is just like, I don't think I would ever want this to be like my everyday shampoo just because the smell is just not something that I would want. But again, this is more of like a repairing thing, so I feel like that for me kind of cancels it out. Like if I use this like every other week or like once a week, if I really want to give my hair like a really deep treatment, like my hair is messed up. So I'm now out of the shower. My hair isn't like damp. I kind of let it air dry a little bit because I'm actually gonna blow dry my hair. You could actually use this on like damp hair and then blow dry it. So I kind of want to see what it does. Plus this actually does smell really freaking good. Like I think this is like, I don't know what it is. It smells like a salon again. Like I don't know why, but just when things smell like a salon, it makes me feel pampered, like I just got my hair done. I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it all over my hair. I have no products in my hair at all, by the way. My hair, I just want to say, is so stinking soft right now. It's probably because I blow dried it, but yeah, the smell is still there. I don't really smell the spray of the heat protecting spray, but I'm sure if I were to curl my hair, you know, and put it like on actual dry hair, not damp hair, some of the smell would peek through. I don't know, I guess I'm just saying that because some people like care about smells, like I care about smells, so that's why I'm talking about it. Some people don't care. We're back right where we started, and I'm just gonna give you guys my final thoughts on everything, on stuff that I thought maybe was worth it, maybe was not. And yeah, so first things first, this little heat protecting spray, I don't know why I said it like that. That was kind of weird. I did notice a difference when I used it because again, I'm someone that always likes to just air dry my hair, but I feel like when I used this and blow dried it, it just made my hair really soft. And then the next thing that I actually really loved is this After Color Fluid Crystals. I didn't think I would use this much, but I'm obsessed with it. I think it has everything to do with the scent, I'm not gonna lie, but also because it's just maintains the frizz of after I get out of the shower. And Again, I literally don't wash my hair as often, so if any of my ends like start to get really crusty or anything like that, I like putting this in. Plus, when I did wash my hair extensions, I did put this in my hair extensions as well, and I really liked it. The orotherapy made my hair so stinking soft, and I think it's like a good treatment. This isn't really like your everyday shampoo and conditioner, so if your hair is really damaged and stuff, like, you know, you just want to bring it back to life. Also using this like once a week just to really keep your hair intact. Plus it has the argan oil. You guys know I'm obsessed with argan oil, and I will still definitely be continuing to use this as like a deep treatment. So every time I'm about to color my hair, or if my hair is just getting really dry, I do like this. It's just the smell, it's like So this is the one that I have been using, because I'm not gonna lie, I only tried that shampoo and conditioner once, but I have used this about 5 times now. This is still my hair color. I haven't done anything to it, so it's still intact. I mean, my hair is fading. It's not like it's like locking the color in, as I said, but I like the way that my hair feels after, like the way it's conditioned and everything. But again, I do wish that everything was sulfate free, so that was my only like with it. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this entire, I guess, little demo of me trying the FANOLA. Honestly, thank you so much to the FANOLA team for sending me all this stuff. I felt really pampered. I'm gonna continue to use this. There's not one product that I absolutely hated. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, do all of that, and I will see you guys in my next video.